If you watched my last video about how much money YouTube paid me after hitting 1,000 subscribers, I want to pause for a second. Because if your brain immediately went to, how can I get to 1,000 subs? This video is for you. And if you've been quietly discouraged because your subscriber count feels small, then this video is especially for you. Because one of the biggest myths in YouTube, especially for new creators, is that subscriber count equals income. And today, I want to explain why that matters less than you think, and what actually matters nowadays. I'm making this video intentionally after the money video, not to walk anything back, but to set expectations the right way. Because when creators focus on money too early, it does two things. It creates pressure, and it attracts the wrong motivation. Income matters, but if income is the only reason you're here, this journey can feel really hard. Let's talk about how YouTube used to work. 10 years ago, subscriber count mattered a lot. Brands asked for it. Viewers judged credibility by it. And growth was much more linear. Bigger channel equaled more visibility and more money. But YouTube today is a completely different ecosystem. In fact, YouTube has quietly told us this through their design. Subscriber counts are hidden in more places now. Videos are pushed based on performance, not channel size. Individual videos can explode, even on tiny channels. Subscriber count used to be a gatekeeper, but today, it's more like a byproduct. Let me ground this into reality using my other channel, Your Trail Buddy. That channel is still relatively small in the grand scheme of YouTube, but it's already generating income. And here's the important part, because it's not because of subscriber count, not because of virality, and especially not because I've cracked the algorithm or anything. It's earning because viewers trust me. Videos solve real problems, and the audience is aligned with the content. Some videos outperform others financially, even when they don't bring in many subscribers. That alone should tell you something. So if subscriber count matters less, what actually matters more? I believe trust is the real currency on YouTube. When somebody trusts you, they watch longer, they come back, they act on your recommendations, and they support you in ways that views alone can't do. A channel with 2,000 highly aligned viewers can outperform a channel with 50,000 disengaged ones. YouTube doesn't pay for subscribers. It pays for attention. If your videos hold people, you get more impressions, you get better recommendations, and you get more monetization opportunities. Subscriber count doesn't guarantee any of that. Income follows usefulness. Videos that answer questions, reduce confusion, save people time, or help them avoid mistakes, those videos keep earning, even when you stop uploading. This one matters more than people realize. If your content, audience, and monetization are aligned, income just feels natural, not forced, not salesy, and not awkward. Subscriber count doesn't fix misalignment. Real alignment does. Here's the part I want to say carefully, but clearly. If your only goal is income, YouTube can feel slow, frustrating, even unfair. But if your goal is helping people, sharing experience, teaching what you've learned, or just being honest about mistakes, income ends up showing up as a result, not as a target. The creators who struggle the most are normally chasing numbers, and the ones who last are building value. Subscribers aren't your paycheck. They're not your worth. They're not even your leverage. Subscribers are simply people raising their hand and saying, I want more of this. That's it. Is it useful? Yes. Should it be your goal? No. If you're here to build something meaningful, something sustainable, something that fits your life instead of consuming it, then you're in the right place. This channel isn't about chasing hacks or shortcuts. It's about understanding how YouTube actually works now, and about building income without burning yourself out or compromising who you are. If that resonates with you, I'd love for you to subscribe. And if it doesn't, that's okay too, because the right audience always matters more than the bigger one.